This is a program called Ace Studio. This is a vocal studio. On the left-hand side, you can see all of the different singers you can choose from. Each singer has their own license, so you have to check the license for the singer you use. I'm going to bring in an audio track. Import audio. It's best to work in short phrases, and that allows you the most flexibility later on in this section below where you can edit what you brought in. Try to hide. Now I'm going to copy it and put it on the singer track. You can just drag it to the singer track as well, but I like to copy it in case I want to try something else. So now it's generated the singer track, and in the pane below you can see the different notes, and on the different notes you can see the words. Now it doesn't always get the words correct, so you can go right in and edit the words. Let's give it a listen.
On my sleeve, when the world...
Now there's a lot of things you can do to tweak the sound of the vocal. I'm not getting into those right now. The point of this video was just to show you a quick overview of the tool. One other thing I do want to show you is that you can play with the MIDI. So for instance, this note to this note, that's an octave jump, and that's pretty excessive. So drag it up there. If you wanted to try out a different voice, it's as easy as dragging that singer to the track. Hit play, let it generate. That's what this little wheel is.
Try to hide the heart on my sleeve when the world...
Probably a usable vocal right there. This tool runs about $45 a month if you're paying by the month. And if you buy it outright, it's about $300 for the year. So that was a really fast overview. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments and I'll make sure I answer them.